Hey guys, it's me again for the fourth time so far. Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this is another Delco T400 8-track player. This one comes out of a '77 Trans Am. Comes from my friends at Second Gen Engineering in Hackettstown, New Jersey. Wow, that's quite a distance. Thank you so much for your business all the way from New Jersey to Arizona. That's quite a journey. Larry has requested that this 8-track be converted to work with a modern or reproduction radio using that radio's aux input. And so since the conversion uses the radio's electronics and all this has left is a preamp, these controls no longer have any effect because that's all done at the radio now. You'll adjust your volume, tone, and balance at the radio, and the only thing that still works on the 8-track is the program change button. So let's go ahead and pop in a tape, make sure it works before we send her back. Got some Neil Sedaka here.
And have fun. Put the blues on the road.
Check it. Both sides.
You'll find that living's great. Oh, well, I'm a monkey's uncle who's a cousin to Alice. There are plenty of fish. Hurry on up.
Okay, and that's it. That's all there is to test on these 8-track conversions. Just make sure it plays through both sides and the track changes when called for. So that takes care of that. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And if you download and print a work order before calling me, that'll give you all my prices, and my prices are also on my website. My turn time options are in my work order. So if you download that first and take a look at it, that's going to save us both about 15 minutes on the phone, which the more time I spend on the phone, the less time I have on the bench to put in my quality workmanship. So I do appreciate when customers do a little research before calling me. But if you do need to reach me directly, my number is 928-533-9666. Thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, my friends at Second Gen, for your business all the way from New Jersey, and we'll see you guys next time.